Did you know that you can make the most incredible Sate Ayam, those amazing Indonesian chicken skewers, right in your own kitchen? Yes, that famous, smoky, delicious street food, and it only takes a few simple ingredients. Don't stress about it being complicated. I'm here to show you just how simple it is to whip up this Southeast Asian classic for dinner. Check out the recipe for Sate Ayam in my channel's posts, but make sure to watch this video all the way through first. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind the perfect Sate Ayam. I'm here to walk you through making these delicious skewers that'll have everyone asking for your recipe. We're going to make something truly special together. A lot of people feel intimidated by recipes like Sate Ayam. They see those long skewers, the char marks, and that delicious sauce, and think, making this at home must be tough. Maybe you've tried and ended up with dry chicken or off flavors. You might think you need fancy gear or hard-to-find ingredients. I totally get it. I used to feel that way too. Making Sate Ayam is way easier than you think. I'll show you the key steps to whip up restaurant-quality skewers that are not just tasty but also super fun to make. You'll wonder why you didn't try this sooner. So let's get into it. First up, the ingredients. We're talking juicy chicken thighs, which are key for tenderness, and the marinade that is pure magic. We'll use a beautiful blend of kecap mayonnaise, which is that sweet soy sauce, along with some garlic, shallots, turmeric, and coriander. These are the essentials for that tasty flavor. Let's chop the chicken into bites. The marinade is where the magic happens. Let that chicken soak up all that deliciousness for at least an hour, but if you can, let it sit overnight for even more flavor. While that's marinating, we'll whip up an iconic peanut dipping sauce. It's creamy, it's savory, it's a little sweet with just a hint of spice. I'll share my secret tip for getting that perfect consistency every single time. And don't worry if you don't have a grill. I'll show you how to get that beautiful char using a regular pan. Now, for the best part. Imagine the sizzle as the skewers hit the hot grill. The kitchen starts to fill with that smoky, sweet, and savory aroma. You see the marinade caramelizing on the chicken, creating those beautiful, dark, charred bits. You brush on a bit more of the marinade as they cook, building up layers of flavor. And then the moment of truth. You pull a perfectly cooked skewer off the grill. It's glistening, it's tender. You dip it into that rich, creamy peanut sauce you made from scratch. You take that first bite, and wow. The chicken is so incredibly juicy, it practically melts in your mouth. You get the sweetness from the kecap mayonnaise, the warmth from the spices, the smokiness from the char, and it's all balanced by that nutty, savory sauce. This is it. This is the flavor explosion you've been working for. This moment is when you realize all the simple steps have come together to create something truly spectacular. It's so much more than just food. It's an experience, so there you have it. We've walked through all the essential steps to master homemade Sate Ayam. From the simple marinade to grilling it to perfection, you now have the key to elevating your home cooking and bringing a taste of Indonesia to your kitchen. Love the recipe? Hit that thumbs up. Comment what you want next, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun cooking. Make sure to peek at the ingredients and instructions in my posts. Thanks for hanging out, and see you in the next video.